Top 10 highest paying jobs. Hello everyone. The tech industry is anticipated to expand significantly in the current economy due to the recent development of Web 3.0, the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and quantum computing, and the announcement of the implementations of Ethereum merge in 2023. Tech companies, which are powered by highly qualified IT staff, provide lucrative jobs of sport and expanding digital economy. Organizations of Phony ISIS are prepared to offer a sizable money to anyone with the necessary and the emerging tech talent by everyone more already self-growth. Learn, and here we are with the list of the top highest paying jobs for 2023. If you love videos like this, do hit the subscribe button to never miss any updates from Simply Learning. So let's explore and learn about them one by one, starting with the 10th position, which is full stack developer. Every business needs a website in this day and age, and the demand for full stack developers is growing for more than ever. A full stack developers works on a web applications website in this day and age, and the demand for full stack developers is growing more than ever. A full stack developer works on a web applications front end, which includes the website's layout and the backend deals with the websites functionally. For example, how the information in your website is laid out in browsers and on mobile devices, as well. Skills required for becoming a full stack developer are full stack developer, front end language and frameworks like HTML and CSS, and technologies and frameworks like JavaScript and its environment like Node.js and Express.js, database management systems, versions control. Talking about the salary, and average salary of a full stack developer is $101 in the US and 6 lakh rupees in India. At the 9th position, we have Android developer. And Android developer designs applications and software, specifically Android developer for Android devices and the Google Play Store apps, iOS and Microsoft Windows. iPhone platforms. Among other mobile platforms, you will need the following abilities to being developing Android apps: understanding the fundamentals of secure and reliable software, designs, familiarity with the understanding of several development approaches, including Agile, Scrum, and others, as well as development environment programming proficiency, well-known ones like SQL, Java, JavaScript, C++, Python, PHP, and Ruby on Rails. $127,044, while it can reach 5.2 lakh rupees in India. Next, we have a big data engineer who occupies the 8th spot. Its degrees of variations and the speed of data so have an expert to its essential handle it. There will always be data, meaning the prospect of big data are many engineer. A big data engineer is a vast expert in the charge of creativity, maintain analytical assessment of a big data company, referring to the huge extraordinary data set. These are the skills needed to become complete big data engineer, who handles the development, testing, analysis and evaluation of data for a corporation. The term big data refers to extraordinary the large data sets. Here are the qualifications needed to work as a big data engineer: through familiarity with Hadoop, Spark, and similar frameworks, proficiency with Java, C, Mob, PHP, Python, and R, and knowledge of Redis and another NoSQL and databases, ability to tackle complicated networking, data, and software problems, understanding of the AWS and Docker revenue of $1 million in just second quarter of 2022. Web services from Amazon Science AWS is currently one of the most well-known cloud service providers. This expansion suggests that there is still demanded for jobs such as those for AWS developer, rising to make organization use of AWS service, which include everything from content distribution and code authoring to data storage as efficiency as possible. AWS developers work with application or programming on the cloud-based Amazon Web Service platform. Now, to talk about the skills, experience working with core AWS feature and service experience with cloud-based monitoring solution or through understanding of cloud security tools. Experience with May AWS developer currently earn on average income of $1,96,000 in the United States and 6.5 lakh rupees in India. Robotic engineer are in sixth place, a growing profession that combines engineering, computer science and data analysis is robotic engineer, since building, configuration and testing robots as well as design software system to control the robotic system are currently required skill for robotic engineer. They also come with innovative robots design concept and build. The average salary of a robotic engineer is $98,534 and 5 lakh rupees in India. And then adds an engineer to implement prototype and robotic system, which is generally a never-ending task, given that technology is constantly changing and advancing through balance needs throughout the whole software development life cycle, from coding and development through maintenance and upgrades is the objective of a DevOps engineer. Experience as a member of a 24/7 cloud or SAS operation team, understanding of infrastructure management with DevOps platform technologies are among the qualifications needed to become a DevOps engineer. Having a working knowledge of middleware services, automation service delivery and the capacity for both independent and cooperation, Chef, Puppet and Docker. Considering the salary ranges in India from $10,821 and the fourth position is held by a software engineer. As the software engineer average income is 7.5 lakh rupees. The skill necessary for a software engineer are designing and maintaining software and testing new software programs, optimizing software for speed and scalability. Software engineers develop software for computers and applications. If you are an active thinker who enjoys problem solving and making digital things easier to use, a career as a software engineer may be fulfilling for you. Code creation and testing and other parties involved. Currently, the average software engineer pay in the US is $1,30,775, but in India it is 6.5 lakh rupees and blockchain takes the third place. Developer, according to study, the market for blockchain developers will expand between 2020 and 2030 at a command annual growth rate of 85.9%. It makes reasonable that one of the professions with the highest demand in 2023 would be blockchain. In order to enable secure digital transactions, blockchain engineers basically build systems together and maintain blockchain data in a way that prevents tampering by hacking. The expertise of programming language like Java, Python and C, as well as comprehension of systems, data structures and back-end development are all necessary to become a blockchain developer. Both cryptography, extensive knowledge of blockchain management, best practice and data security. In India, blockchain developers make 1,08,539 US dollars and 7.5 lakh rupees per year. Learning engineer comes in second. According to LinkedIn, there was a 32% rise in hiring for machine learning engineers between 2021 and 2022. Demand for machine learning specialists is increasing as more businesses consider utilizing them to protect their operations against potential challenges. The second best job in 2023 has gone currently discussing skills. These are the qualifications needed to be a machine learning engineer. Statistics, probabilities, data modeling, programming in C and Python, and algorithms in AI algorithms. In terms of pay, a machine learning engineer makes an average of 1,36,450